Well, hello there. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler. And what we do here is we take a look at a bottle of beer, can of beer, sometimes a wine or a spirit might drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. We take a look at the label, we read everything on the label, we take a look at the artwork, we see what they're trying to sell us, we crack it open and see if it meets expectations. All right, first off, all of our beers are served at the correct temperature. Lagers at 37 to 47 degrees temperature, and ales 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I use a ThermoWorks thermometer. There is a link in the description box below if you are interested. Also, we always use the same glassware for all of our beers. That way nobody has a leg up when it comes to clarity or aromatics. Finally, traditionally, tastings are, you take a look, you sniff, you sip, and you pontificate. I'll pontificate, don't worry, but I sip first. Why? Wine expert Fred Dax will explain it all to you. He does a lot better than I do. All right, what do we got today? Reached back in the back of the refrigerator and came up with a left-hand white nitro. I'm pretty sure I've done a tasting of this one before, since this is from the back of the fridge. And if I have, there'll be a link right up there, and you can see what I thought about it then. All right, well, let's see what we got today. The Left Hand Brewing Company, Belgian White Nitro, Belgian-Style Wheat Beer. Beer brewed with coriander and orange peel, Left Hand Brewing Company. And then it says, different beer, different pour. 4.8% alcohol by volume, smooth, crisp, and with citrus and spice. And it says it has got the Brewers Association, that is an independent brewery. It's got the government warning back here from the Surgeon General that I should not be a pregnant woman operating heavy machinery. It also says, caution, contents under pressure, keep cold, avoid shaking, point away from self and others when opening, use only a bottle opener, pour hard. They really should have thought about that. 12 fluid ounces, Belgian-style wheat beer brewed with coriander and orange peel. Ingredients, Rocky Mountain water. Oh, there's a echo, huh? At least they didn't say Rocky Mountain spring water. Pilsner malt, wheat, oats, hops, orange peel, coriander, yeast. Contains wheat. Okay, well, that's good. We got 10% deposit. Boy, is this complicated. Take a look. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right down there. They've got something you have to turn it upside down to read. Ooh, are they tricky. All right, well, I hate doing this. Pour hard to release the nitro magic. Learn why at lefthandnitro.com. Pour hard and serve between 40 and 45 degrees in a Weizen glass. Sorry, kids. One more thing. It has a Best Buy. April 16th, 2024. And today just happens to be the 24th of May. So it might be a little long in the tooth. Yeah. Let's crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. All right. I'm pointing it away from myself and others. I did not shake it. Not did I. All right. They want a hard pour. Okay. What did that accomplish? Well, getting a lot of the carbonation out of it. That's what it accomplished. All right, well, they want 47 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 45. It's been out of the fridge for a bit, so it's probably around 50 to 51, I'm betting. Oh dear. We're up to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's practically an ale. All right, well, it's a little warm, it's a little cloudy, it's a little old. Let's see if it meets those expectations. Cheers. Well, yeah, I took 2 sips because my taste buds, it is about 2:30 in the afternoon. And they're taking a siesta. They like to hang out later, but doesn't do me any good, but they have a good time. Anyways, they needed to be woke, and they are now woke, so let's see what their olfactory friends have to say. There's kind of a funky green type of an aroma there. I'm getting almost like a spinach kind of a thing. Well, but there's a little clover in there. All right, well, let's see what the taste buds have to say about that. Oh, I know what the taste buds are saying. Where's the beer? Where's the beer? Sorry, guys, it's not there. That's the lightest beer I have ever tasted. I mean, I've done, and I'm including Coors, and oh boy, there was one the other day I tried that just was a rice beer. It had no body and very little flavor, and I can understand. You need some malt in there to get the enzymes working so that you can ferment the rice. What's in the rice? A starch, turn the starch into sugars. But this one's the lightest. This is the lightest thing I've ever had in my life, almost. So, does Belgian white nitro Belgian-style wheat beer meet expectations? Sorry, kids, this one doesn't. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.